Okay guys, so in this video I'm just going to be assembling some rear A-arms and axle carriers, rear hubs. Now these are Integi or Integi, depending on how you pronounce them personally, depending on where you come from. There's two types. This is the more expensive type, far superior in my opinion. I've got some cheaper ones and I'm going to do a comparison video. I'm going to wait a little bit before I do that because I've actually emailed Integi reference the poor quality of their other parts. These are superb. The other parts are about as well, they're just useless. I was going to say they're good for paperweights, but I wouldn't even use them for that because they make a mockery of the name Integi. Right, good idea. The bear and fit in these. So I'm physically, hear that nice clunk? Perfect, bear and fits in lovely. Right, I'm using Enduro hybrid ceramics, highly recommend them. Yes, they're more expensive than stock, however they are significantly higher quality than stock bearings, so there's a reason why I use them. I've pre-oiled these bearings to make them nice and fluid, which will cut open some back A-arms. Again, these are Integi. These are the higher end ones out of the two. People have mixed opinions on aluminium or aluminum parts, and I agree with all the opinions because I've had good and bad parts and good and bad experiences. However, these particular parts I've always had good experience with, so I personally I rate them fairly highly. So we're going to do these as a set of rears, left and right, nice and solid, really chunky. Again, so one thing you've got on here that is nice as well, you've got these nylon inners which act as a bit of, I'm going to call it cartilage because that's effectively what it's acting like. It's just going to allow this pin to move nice and fluidly and not scrape metal on metal, which from an engineering point of view is what you want really. Okay. Just get that gentle tap into place. Now if you can see, now that moves freely, but there's no wobble in that. That is absolutely lovely. So hopefully you can just about see on camera there. By adding this washer, what I've done is covered up the pin, so there's no chance of that pin coming out. Okay, so that's one lower done that side. As for the upper, which I'll do exactly the same. There we go. And again, it's gone in there nicely. So that's a nice combination. Right, now I should make up this side. So exactly the same. out of the way, and we'll see what we've got. So I don't know what you think, but I personally think they're looking rather nice and heavy duty. The next stage is going to be to install these on the vehicle and go from there. I hope that's been helpful, guys. I know it's only a short little video, but you don't want to get bored. So thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned. Please subscribe, hit the bell button for notifications on future videos, tutorials, as well as my bashing videos. Thank you very much.